Welcome to the heart of American agriculture, where vast fields of wheat define the horizon. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey to discover the story behind one of humanity's most important crops, wheat, the grain that has shaped civilization, fed billions of people, and is at the heart of America's agricultural power. In 2024, the United States will remain one of the world's leading wheat producers, with more than 45 million acres planted and over 50 million tons produced. The top wheat-producing states are Kansas, North Dakota, Montana, Washington, and Oklahoma, with Kansas often referred to as the wheat state, contributing nearly 25% of the nation's total production, cementing its place as a production hub. But what makes wheat so special? It's not just its versatility in making bread, pasta, and countless other dishes. Wheat is also a symbol of resilience and adaptability. Across the diverse climates of the United States, from the arid plains of the Midwest to the fertile valleys of the Pacific Northwest, farmers grow 6 different types of wheat, each with its own unique characteristics and uses. Wheat is more than just a crop. It feeds thousands of families in the United States and around the world. Its impact extends far beyond the field, affecting global food security, economics, and even environmental sustainability. The journey of wheat begins with planting. This is not only the first stage, but also the decisive foundation for the whole crop. Each seed is carefully selected and treated to ensure the best quality. But before they hit the ground, there are a series of important steps to take. The first step in this process is soil preparation. The soil must meet the standards of fertility, moisture, and looseness. Farmers use modern machinery such as plows, harrows, and compactors to ensure that the soil is well aerated but still retains moisture. Organic and inorganic fertilizers are used in a balanced manner, based on detailed soil analysis. Once the soil's ready, the next step is seed preparation. Wheat seeds must be carefully selected from varieties suitable for the climate and soil type. Before sowing, the seeds are often treated with antifungal and anti-pest solutions to increase germination and resistance. When it comes time to sow, farmers use precision seed drills to ensure each seed is planted at the ideal depth and spacing. This not only ensures good seed-to-soil contact, but also optimizes the growing space for each plant. Timing is also key, with seeds planted in late autumn when temperatures begin to drop. Soil moistened by rain and snowmelt provides natural moisture, helping the seeds develop strong root systems before entering dormancy. After sowing, caring for the young plants is key to ensuring a successful crop. Farmers must closely monitor weather conditions, pest and disease status, and plant growth. Technologies such as surveillance drones and soil sensors help them spot problems early and adjust their care methods. These modern techniques not only increase productivity, but also help reduce environmental impact. From a small seed, the journey of wheat begins. But to turn it into gold in the field, farmers must constantly learn and innovate. This is when the small seeds we have planted begin their journey to maturity. But to become vast fields of gold, wheat plants face a series of challenges from nature, pests, and harsh weather. Let's find out how wheat plants grow and how farmers support them to overcome all obstacles. To support the plants during this stage, farmers often check the soil regularly. If necessary, they use modern irrigation systems to provide the necessary amount of water without wasting, ensuring that every drop of water is valuable. Farmers use smart fertilization techniques, applying just enough fertilizer for the plants to grow without polluting the soil and surrounding water sources. This is the combination of science and art in modern agriculture. It's not always smooth sailing. Wheat crops face pests and weed competition that, if left unchecked, can significantly reduce yields. Fortunately, modern technology has helped farmers detect pests early and treat them effectively. This precision not only protects the crop, but also reduces the amount of chemicals used, ensuring safety for both the environment and humans. One of the biggest enemies of wheat is the weather. Storms, heavy rains, or droughts can all strike unexpectedly. However, thanks to improved varieties of wheat, today's wheat is much more resilient than ever before. With the help of science, wheat not only endures but also thrives in harsh conditions. As the wheat plant matures, the wheat ears begin to form. This is the crucial moment when the energy and nutrients accumulated from previous stages are transformed into wheat grains, the fruit of the entire season. From tiny seeds, wheat plants begin their journey to grow strong, but to transform from light green to golden yellow, they must overcome countless challenges from nature and meticulous care from humans. Farmers ensure adequate water supply by using advanced irrigation systems. They also regularly test the soil to ensure the plants have the necessary nutrients, from nitrogen, phosphorus to potassium. Pests and weeds are major threats to wheat during the growing stage. If left unchecked, they can significantly reduce yields. To combat this, farmers use a combination of traditional and modern preventive measures. The combination of practical experience and technology has helped farmers not only adapt, but also optimize the conditions for wheat to grow. When the wheat plant reaches maturity, the first wheat ears begin to appear. This is a critical time when the energy from photosynthesis is converted into wheat grains. Any disruption during this stage can affect the final yield. Farmers closely monitor factors such as water availability, pests, and weather. Every decision from adding fertilizer to adjusting irrigation systems is aimed at ensuring the highest quality wheat ears. At the end of this period, when the fields turn a brilliant yellow, it is a signal that a harvest is approaching. But before the harvest, when the first rays of autumn warm the golden wheat fields, this is also the time when the harvest season begins. The fruits of farmers' hard work reaching the final stage of the wheat cycle. Harvesting wheat is a precise process that requires a coordinated effort between humans and machines. Before they begin, farmers must assess the ripeness of the grain based on moisture content and color. Fully ripe grain must have a moisture content of less than 14%, which ensures quality and storability. Modern combines are designed to collect, thresh, and separate the wheat from the straw all at once. With the help of GPS and smart sensors, harvesters can optimize harvest yield and minimize waste. After harvesting, large trucks transport the wheat to processing centers. Here, the wheat is sorted based on quality and cleanliness. The cleaning stage removes dirt, straw, and other impurities, preparing the grain for the next stages of processing. More than just a bob, harvest is also the time when farmers look back at the fruits of their labor for many months. They are proud of each grain of wheat, knowing that they have contributed significantly to the food supply of the country and the world. From the warehouses, the wheat is transported to processing plants. This is where the real magic happens. The wheat is ground into a fine flour through many complex stages, from preliminary milling, hulling, to crushing and screening. The journey of wheat is a story of effort, innovation, and connection. From the golden fields in the heart of America to your dinner table, wheat has undergone a miraculous journey, a testament to the power of labor and technology. Let's continue to explore other miracles in the story of American agriculture. Welcome to the heart of American agriculture, where vast fields of wheat define the horizon. Today we embark on an extraordinary journey to discover the story behind one of humanity's most important crops, wheat, the grain that has shaped civilization, fed billions of people, and is at the heart of America's agricultural power.